How to subscribe to Fliki AI. Today I'll guide you on how to subscribe to Fliki AI using your PC. First open your web browser and go to Fliki AI. Now once you are inside, head over to the account section. Right here in the top right corner, tap on your profile. Now select the subscribe to Fliki. As you can see here, you will be getting standard, premium. Now each with different features and limits. As you can see from here, it's limited, the standard one. Now after selecting a plan, enter your payment information. Now finally, once you select the payment method like this, tap on subscribe. And that's it. You just subscribed to Fliki AI just like this. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.